So what we're going to do now is install the Papercraft extensions. These you'll find on GitHub in the repositories by Obzerving. Here is the URL that you will need, and I will also put that in the comments in the links below. Okay, so we've come over here on our browser to that URL, and we're going to take each of our Papercraft extensions and open them in a new tab. This will just make things easier. So we're going to do Tab Gen, Roof Maker, Extruders, both of those with a Z, Collars with a Z, Polygen, and if you like, optionally also hlines. Okay, we've opened all of these in our tabs. For each tab, we're going to open it, go to the code button, and download the zip file. We'll do a save as. I have a folder called Papercraft Extensions, and we'll save there. And we're going to do that for each of these tabs that we've opened. So we started out with Tab Gen. We're going to go to Roof Maker, click the code button, download the zip, save as into our Papercraft Extensions folder. Just keep repeating the same process for each of those tabs. Code, download zip, save as. It is repetitive, but it will save some time in the long run if you just use this tab method. At least that's what I found. I might note that if it's been a while since you have downloaded the GitHub extensions, that you go ahead and re-download them, update them, just to make sure that you've got the latest versions. Sometimes changes are made, and it will be helpful to have the latest version. Alright, so we have saved all of the zip files in our Papercraft Extensions folder. We can go ahead and close up all of those tabs that we opened up. And I'll close a settings tab that I had open earlier too, and takes us back to our desktop or wherever your computer takes you. We're going to open that Papercraft Extensions folder, and you'll see all of our zip files. What I'm going to do is I'm going to extract them all. So I'm just going to click on each zip file, extract all, extract. And the windows that it brings up, I just bring up so I can verify that it did what it was supposed to, and then I close the little window. So close that. And again, for each of the zip files. Finally, extract all. And Tab Gen. We don't have it yet, so we are going to extract all, extract, and yes, it's there, so we can close that window. Alright, at this point we have zip files and we have folders that have been unzipped. We're going to create a new folder. This one I'm just going to call Papercraft. And what we're going to do is extract all of the .py and the .inx files from these folders and move them into that Papercraft folder. So first, well, here, let me just select our folders. Now that we've selected all of the folders that we unzipped, I'm going to search for star.py. Then I'm going to select all of those files and copy them into the Papercraft folder. Just a Control-C, Control-V. We're going to do the same thing for a star.inx. We'll search for all the files. Extension, we'll copy them. Control-C. And then we'll open the Papercraft folder and just paste them there, Control-V. All right, now we have everything that we need to be able to put this into our Inkscape extensions folder. Now all we have to do is copy our Papercraft folder into this folder where you will substitute username for your own username. And I'm coming here on my computer. You can see I'm there. These are the Inkscape extensions. I have a few there already. You may not. Just drag or copy your Papercraft folder into the extensions folder, close it, and you are ready to restart Inkscape and be ready to go. So let's go ahead and start Inkscape. And come up to our extensions and Papercraft, and here we are, all ready to go. So not difficult, takes a few minutes, but it goes pretty quickly.